A surgeon who's had quite a journey to mental health recovery wants others to know it's okay to ask for help. Medical reporter Liz Bonus explains why.
Hey there, everybody. He's affectionately known as Dr. P. Dr. Paprzycki is a vascular surgeon. He is loved by many of his patients for the compassionate healing that he brings to their lives. But as he continued to heal others, the long hours, the constant demand to never let a patient or family member down, Dr. Paprzycki told me it took a toll.
You know, they describe this emotional graveyard for physicians where, you know, late at night you can't sleep, or, you know, you kind of go visit the headstones of all the patients that didn't go how they were supposed to. And you never really forget those.
But he says it was after he had his two boys and the guilt of not being home enough as a parent set in.
I don't think, honestly, I'd be here today if I didn't have kids. I think the worst would have happened.
So Dr. P had to take his own advice. As he often tells his patients, he had to take steps to heal himself.
There was an event where I found myself looking over a railing. You know, it was probably 3 stories below, and my mind is telling me, just do it already.
Luckily, his hospital, one of many in the country now supporting physician wellness.
I think a big part of it has to do with the fact that there's been just a tremendous amount of increasing stress in the profession.
Dr. John Hawkins is the medical director of the Physician Mental Health Program at Ohio's Linder Center of Hope. It partners with area hospitals as a safe place for medical professionals to find help.
When they seek out care, things turn out really, really well.
When Dr. Paprzycki reached out to them, his mental health concerns began to mend.
I'm doing really well now. We can't be unflappable 100% super doctors all the time, you know, and that's what every patient that walks in here expects.
Dr. P reminds us that the 988 number is open 24/7 for both patients and professionals if needed. His story, now one of the reasons his health system was recently recognized as a bronze recipient of the American Medical Association's Joy Award. With your health news, I'm Liz Bonus reporting.